Have you ever wondered how your brain, a 3-pound mass of fatty tissue, controls your entire existence? Our brain, compact yet mighty, is the command center of our being. This small organ is the mastermind behind every thought, every emotion, every action we take. It's the most complex structure in the known universe, a network of approximately 86 billion neurons laboring together to shape our identity. Now let's dive into the intricate workings of this remarkable organ. At the heart of it all are neurons, the brain's microscopic workers. These tiny champions are the unsung heroes of our daily lives, transmitting information to different parts of the brain and body, helping us think, feel, and act. Imagine a bustling city, with messages constantly zipping to and fro. That's essentially what's happening inside your brain, with neurons as the diligent messengers. Each neuron is like a mini powerhouse, firing off electrical signals down a long, slender pathway known as the axon. This electrical jolt is so powerful that it triggers the release of chemicals or neurotransmitters. Now, these neurotransmitters have quite the journey ahead. They must cross a tiny gap, a space so minuscule it's called a synapse. It's like leaping from one skyscraper to another, but on a microscopic scale. Once they make this daring leap, they reach the next neuron, delivering their precious cargo of information. This process, as simple as it sounds, repeats billions of times a day. Yes, you heard it right, billions. It's this constant relay race, this ceaseless chatter of neurons, that enables us to experience the world around us. Whether it's savoring a delicious meal, enjoying a beautiful sunset, or solving a complex mathematical equation, it's all thanks to these tireless neurons. So the next time you learn something new, remember, it's your neurons hard at work. Our brain, however, isn't just a mass of neurons, it's a highly structured, specialized machine. It's as if nature has its own version of a corporate hierarchy, with different regions assigned to specific roles. Let's take a closer look at the main regions and what they do. First off, we have the cerebrum, the largest part of the brain. Picture it as the CEO of the brain corporation. The cerebrum is the thinking hub where we process complex thoughts, make decisions, and control voluntary movement. It's the part of the brain that allows you to solve that tricky math problem, or decide what to have for lunch. Next, we have the cerebellum. Think of it as the company's operations manager. The cerebellum is in charge of balance and coordination. It's the reason you can walk without tumbling over or catch a ball flying through the air. Lastly, we have the brainstem, the brain's life support system. Imagine it as the building's maintenance crew, working behind the scenes to keep everything running smoothly. The brainstem controls basic life functions like breathing, heart rate, and sleeping. It's the unsung hero keeping you alive and well without you even realizing it. So there you have it. The brain isn't just a jumble of neurons, it's a well-organized, specialized entity. Each region of your brain has a vital role to play in your daily life. So the next time you're pondering a complex question, remember it's your cerebrum hard at work. Or when you're balancing on one foot, that's your cerebellum in action. And while you're sleeping, your brainstem is there, tirelessly keeping you alive. Each region of your brain has a vital role to play in your daily life. What if we told you that your brain can change and adapt throughout your life? It's not a sci-fi concept, but a reality known as brain plasticity. Now let's unravel this fascinating phenomenon together. Brain plasticity, also known as neuroplasticity, is the brain's extraordinary ability to form new neural connections and strengthen existing ones. It's like your brain's personal construction crew, constantly building and reinforcing its infrastructure. Why does this matter? Well, this process is essential for learning new skills and adapting to changes. Every time you learn to play a new song on the guitar or solve a complex math problem, your brain is forming and strengthening neural connections. It's a bit like carving a trail through a forest. The more you walk the trail, the clearer and easier it becomes. But brain plasticity isn't just about learning new things, it also plays a crucial role in recovery from brain injuries. After a stroke or a traumatic brain injury, the brain can rewire itself, forming new connections to compensate for the damaged areas. It's a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the human brain. So next time you're challenged to learn something new or face a significant change, remember your brain is built for this. It's a powerful, adaptive machine, always ready for the next challenge. Your brain, in essence, is a lifelong learner, constantly evolving and adapting.